Hey everyone, Django here. This is my Ultrasabers Imperial Knight. My girlfriend has graciously decided to let me sell it. This has a Yoda FX board in it, 4 nickel metal hydride batteries, P4 white as the main LED, and an accent LED in the pommel with a TCS speaker. This is a guarded latching button, and it also has the Ultrasabers MLS system. You can unscrew the emitter, if you can see that. Anyway, there's a quick disconnect right here. All you have to do is unplug it and put your MLS unit that you have in there, and you can change the color to red, blue, green, amber, whatever you like, or whatever you have. And it also has in-hilt recharge. You don't need to take out the batteries at all. That comes right out. It's plenty loud, lots of resonance. And you can see the LED in the pommel. Nice bright P4. Okay, what I also have with this is one of the new Ultrasabers thick wall blades. If you don't want one of those, I could probably swap you out for regular Ultra Edge. Works just fine. See, the tip lights up. Okay, you can look for this on sale on eBay or the forums pretty soon.